My experience as physical therapist is very rewarding. Lalo na kapag nakikita mo yung mga patients mo na nakakalakad na, and then they can do their activities of daily living like going back to work or yung sa bahay, nakakakilos na sila. So, nakakasaya ng puso kapag marami kang natutulungan, especially us, kasi malaki yung epekto sa amin. At least, nagagamit namin yung pinag-aralan namin, yung mga tinuro ng aming professors, sa magandang paraan naman. Kaya, for now, talagang love ko na yung aking course. And then, I'm very thankful to my parents, especially to my mother, na siya yung pumili nun. And then, di ko naman pinagsisisihan. And then, yun. See ya!